Okay, so question 5. Rohan is the manager of the cooked food section. The table shows the number of roast chickens sold each day last week. Rohan's weekly target for the number of roast chickens sold. Okay. The mean daily number of roast chickens sold must be at least 45. Okay, so what they're saying is that Rohan must have an average of 45 chickens, roast chickens sold. Okay, so even though here we can see, he's got 42 here, 34 here, 56, 27, the numbers are scattered a bit. It must average out at 45. Okay, now remember, the mean average means that we add these together and then divide by the number of numbers. So Monday to Sunday would be 7. So the question asked, did he meet his target last week? Well, to work out the mean average, okay, so we can write here mean equals 42 plus 34 plus 56 plus 26 plus 59 plus 65 plus 47. Okay, and this would then all be divided by 7. Now you haven't got to write it this way. Okay, this is the way that I would write it, but you don't have to do it this way. So you could say the mean is this, give a total, and then say divide by 7. Okay, but this is just the way that I would write it. So now for this I would use a calculator, which you're allowed to do on this paper. So we have 42 plus 34 plus 56 plus 26 plus 59 plus 65 plus 47. So that's how many roast chickens he sold that week. So we now divide by 7, and this gives us 47. So we've got a mean average of 47 roast chickens. So the mean for the week would equal 47 roast chickens. Okay. His target was 45. Roast chickens with an E. So we can say yes, Rohan has, let me just check the wording in the question. Yeah. So Rohan has exceeded his target. Okay, and that's it. I mean, obviously, I'm using a laptop here, and you're going to use this, you're going to write this probably a lot neater than I am. But the mean average, remember, we add the numbers, then divide by 7. So you haven't got to write it this way. This is just the way that I write it. We then get our answer. So we have 47. His target was 45. So we've shown here that he has exceeded his target. Okay, that's it. People tend to overcomplicate it, And it really is that simple. Just answer the question. That's all you need to do. Okay, so we'll move on to the next.